Hello everyone. Go down to the algorithm. We want to solve all these questions. And anyway, 10 questions first, we'll try to solve this, followed by the next questions like every subdomain. Before we start, we have 10 questions. Okay, the question will look like this. Problem statement, any question. So you will find all those things in every question. Write the code here. You call it as editor. You have to select the language here, which language you want it. I'm selecting the language here first, Python 3. In this you can, if it is passed, you will find if anything is failed, let us suppose, and sometimes you will find compiler errors also. So here the answer is A plus B. If it is all right, then, and once it is done, then submit the code. It will check for color, which means all the test cases should be passed.